welcome to another video. Shamika Black Love, aka Thick Miko, not the big one. And guess who I got here? My day one A1. Yeah. We over here and we just sharing out some water. You know, we got this ghetto on the table, but other than that, yeah, we just relaxing and catching up on things. We just got done eating, so
nigga sleep.
Yeah, pretty much.
Sleepy as fuck. And she wanna come out here to some fucking water.
Some water.
So you wanna watch a bitch come down the slide? I'm gonna show you how a bitch go down a slide.
We supposed to actually went to the waterfall, but somebody didn't wake up on time when I was reaching out to people. And I said, okay, forget it. And then I kind of got...
Yeah, don't put that all on me.
I kind of got... I was doing something to serve the community.
You finna put this up there. Just delete this one. We'll do another one.
Huh?
The video.
No.
Yes, bro.
It comes with the territory.
Bro, you post this shit on knock your ass out, nigga. I'm not playing, but delete this one and make another video. I was cheesing extra hard in the beginning, so you gonna have to cut.
The attitude is rude.
You got me out here with these people don't even know me.
Not these people. Bro, we don't be like that. We don't be heavy on it like that. But yeah, y'all, so we just, bruh.
Look, the dog over there.
If he swung hands on me, I swear to God, that motherfucker.
You on your own with that. You got in the right territory.
I think they did. I think this is the potty area, y'all. Hey, y'all. Another day off from work. Long day. Gotta come in tonight and Friday. Oh, Lord. What we gonna do? Now I'm finna just gather some clothes. Yep. And hop in the ride. See ya. 2:33 p.m. Dum. Hey, you guys. Welcome back. Today is Monday, the 22nd. I'm supposed to be going DoorDash alone today. I actually supposed to gotta be way earlier than this. I got a lot to do today. I am currently going back home today. I gotta do cleaning, do some cooking, driving DoorDash. I'm not gonna be out too long. Dude, chill. Blurry. It's kind of like off. I haven't used the camera in so long, y'all. I've been using my iPhone. I'm finna go ahead and hop in the shower. I just recently got a Dasher notification. You need to hurry up, get going. I hate to come on. Oh my God. I go to work tomorrow. DeMarcus, he's at work today. So he helped me out yesterday. So that was was so freaking peaceful. Like, give credit when it's due. He might be an a-hole at times, like this man. And I don't really give men that kind of praise or whatever. He looked out yesterday. He basically out with the Dasher all day. Like, he went in, got it, delivered the food, I sat back. He fed me. He didn't even eat. He basically was just like, I'm gonna do the dashing for you. Like, he already put the gas and everything in it, so I like to earn my own money when it comes out of certain things. When I'm by myself, you know how long it take to get 20? Like, what I'm doing wrong? I'm accepting orders that I shouldn't. But nah, I be trying to aim for 100 though. Anyway, I'm just start blabbing. I think when y'all see me, either I'm gonna be getting ready or I don't know. I got on his shirt, y'all. I love Sailor Moon. When I was young, I always had like this thing with Sailor Moon. I don't know. But yeah, I literally looked on DoorDash. They initiated my payment automatic. It's gonna take 2 or 3 business days before the money that we made from yesterday for me even to get and reach into it. Really? It is what it is. On the table for today. No, we just getting more money. I mean, that's as much as I can say. Deal with DoorDash tomorrow. I was literally gonna do that, but fuck it. We have a fairly amount of gas in here. Let's put on cool. Let's be cool. Some clothes wash, and I left them in the car instead of being like a very competent person. Let's get the dashing today. God darn, they made me mad because I'm hungry. Make a good fair amount of money today. Like literally, I better. See y'all later. So, Bae just basically called me as soon as I did hit the exit, but I was like at the red light or whatever. It's gonna pay for the food and give me a little extra gas money. And tomorrow I start up with a little door dashing soon, early, then go to work. Everything is everything, so I can get to cook today and go with the original plan. He done clogged up this toilet, so now finna see his little dookie bookie. I smell ya. You spray a lot of freshener. Got boogers coming up my nose. Ew.
Peace up, A-Town.
All right, y'all. See you later. I guess I'll catch y'all when I get some groceries. I know you can't see this, but those are birds. Jesus Christ. That's crazy. Anyway, that's why I've been at this light for like over 5 minutes. I just came back from the house. Have to do some real damage control. All I can say is, Lord. Child, when I tell you it was stuff in the oven, when it was stuff in the refrigerator, that's why I'm sweaty. That's why I'm sweaty right now, because I had to do some deep cleaning. I'm running so freaking late, so behind. Like, there wasn't the time to fucking do all the extra stuff. I'll be back. What's your food?
I came out within the house, now I'm owning that building. You bitches can't get my spot until I start raising some children. These bitches all in their feelings, can't fuck with Nikki, they know.
Remember, get some ice.
Nikki a poet, caught me a bottle of mo. They said I couldn't, but I did it though. Tell them I still got the hourglass figured out. Can't stop me, don't watch me. You better just watch your nigga hoe. I'm in that big boy, I am in beast mode. Respect the G code. Bitches ain't got drive, bitches in your repo.
And the velvet cheese, I think it was like $9.
I don't got good vision, but I don't see competition. They want me to come and help them, but I am not a magician. I'm on them fofos, I'm tapping you.
Yeah, when I say grocery, not for the week, it's not for the weekend. You did. Okay, I done started cooking. I done got my chicken started. I'm gonna get this started next, but I'm gonna wait till I put the second round.
Cause I came out 09 when promoters brought Wayne out. Lewinsky like I couldn't get the stain out. I've been bad like cutting school and staying out. I've been hotter than vacation and laying out. I sat back and watched how it was playing out. They diss me but running to take the same route. But no, they not Nikki. Wrist on ice, say yes, my wrist bricky. If I leave the game with Miss Nikki, not a website, but get money, this is 50.
I put mustard
this shit ain't got no more than 10
my chicken.
Don't write they raps and plus they flow shit. Don't make me expose you, bitch, I'm too busy.
Don't like they raps and plus they flow shit. Don't make me expose you, bitch, I'm too busy.
I wanna bridge you, New York City. Nicki's still a queen, niggas so already. Hopped on a Richie, New York City. Nicki's still a queen, niggas so already. As soon as I came in, I told them that I would be.
Do you know her? So yeah, our chicken's done. Roll time. Of course, it's like the easiest method you can use.
Are you scared of the